Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey of creativity and sustainability. In this channel, we focus on transforming waste from the wood and metal industries into beautiful garden decor and unique home accents. Our mission is to showcase the untapped potential in discarded materials, proving that with a little imagination and craftsmanship, we can create stunning pieces that not only beautify our spaces, but also promote eco-friendly living. Join us as we share our creative processes, DIY tips, and innovative ideas to inspire you to see the beauty in reclaimed materials. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, you'll find valuable insights and projects that will spark your creativity. Let's work together to make our homes and gardens more beautiful while also making a positive impact on our planet. Thank you for being part of our community. Let the transformation begin. In today's world, sustainability is more essential than ever, and we're on a mission to turn the tide on waste by transforming discarded wood and metal from industrial processes into beautiful garden decor and unique home accents. Every year, tons of materials end up in landfills, but through creativity and innovation, we can repurpose these items into something extraordinary. Our journey begins with a vision to show that beauty can come from the most unexpected places. The first step in this transformative process is sourcing the materials. We venture into local workshops, warehouses, and even salvage yards, seeking out discarded wood and metal that still have potential. Each piece tells a story, and we take the time to examine its history. Knots in the wood, rust on the metal. These imperfections add character and uniqueness to our creations. By giving these materials a second chance, we not only reduce waste, but also preserve their identities. Once we collect our materials, the real fun begins. We start with a thorough cleaning to ensure that every piece is ready for transformation. For wood, this often involves sanding and treating to remove any splinters or rough edges. For metal, we scrub away rust and grime, embracing the natural patina that can enhance the visual appeal of our designs. This preparation phase is crucial. It sets the foundation for the beautiful decor that will follow. A significant aspect of our work is using non-toxic paints and finishes. We believe that sustainability extends beyond materials. It encompasses the entire creative process. By choosing eco-friendly products, we ensure that our creations are safe for both the environment and those who enjoy them. This commitment to health and sustainability is reflected in every brushstroke and finishing touch. As we progress with our creations, we document the journey, sharing tips and techniques along the way. Whether it's a step-by-step tutorial on how to construct a rustic birdhouse from reclaimed lumber or a guide to creating a stunning metal sculpture for the garden, we want to inspire others to join us in this creative movement. Our goal is to empower individuals to see potential in materials that might otherwise be overlooked. Throughout this process, we also emphasize the importance of community. We often collaborate with local artists and craftsmen, exchanging ideas and skills. These partnerships not only enrich our work, but also strengthen our commitment to a circular economy, where waste is minimized and resources are valued. By coming together, we can amplify our impact and foster a culture of creativity and sustainability. As our projects come to life, we take a moment to celebrate the transformations. Each finished piece radiates the love and effort put into its creation, showcasing the beauty found in reclaimed materials. Placing a handcrafted wooden planter filled with vibrant flowers in the garden, or hanging a metal wall art piece in your home brings joy and a sense of accomplishment that only comes from creating with your hands. To further inspire others, we host workshops where participants can learn the skills needed to transform their own materials. These sessions are filled with creativity, laughter, and collaboration, as we guide attendees through the process of bringing their ideas to life. Witnessing the excitement of someone who has just created their first upcycled piece is incredibly rewarding and reinforces the idea that anyone can be an artist, no matter their background. In the end, our mission transcends the mere act of creation. It's about fostering a deeper appreciation for materials that often go unseen and promoting a lifestyle that values sustainability. By sharing our journey, we hope to inspire countless individuals to rethink waste and embrace creativity as a powerful tool for change. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring the transformation of waste from the wood and metal industry into stunning garden decor and unique home accents. Your support means the world to us as we embark on this creative journey. If you loved what you saw, please subscribe to our channel for more innovative DIY projects and sustainable design ideas. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might be inspired to join us in repurposing and creating beauty from waste. Together, we can make a positive impact on our planet, one project at a time. Thank you for being part of our eco-friendly community.